it very fast. So which stone are getting damaged, so they replace the stones, right?
Ah.
So some stones you can see that's red color, some they have a yellow, some brown, some dark brown. These are all natural color, but
Right.
it's come from the same mines.
Same
So
mine.
red sandstone has got 8 colors.
And this is the stone from Rajasthan.
Rajasthan, which is like that is also from Rajasthan, but that is 240 kilometers, the marble.
Right.
This is like 40 kilometers from here.
Okay.
So which you're looking the marble here, that is all original marble, no change with the marble.
Okay.
They are building something.
They don't using the cement. They are using the limestone and the sand.
Got it.
They are using the limestone
Yeah.
and the sand. They press the limestone and the sand.
Oh, so that's the way
No
that's pretty natural.